Hello, music enthusiasts! In this video, we will explore 3 of the best DrumPad applications for Android. Join us as we dive into the features and uniqueness of each app, perfect for unleashing your musical creativity on the go. DrumPad Machine. DrumPad Machine is one of the best DrumPad applications available for Android users. It offers a wide range of features and options for creating music and beats. The app provides users with various sound packs, including EDM, trap, dubstep, and more, allowing them to mix and match different sounds to create unique compositions. With its user-friendly interface, DrumPad Machine makes it easy for both beginners and experienced users to unleash their creativity and produce high-quality music. Additionally, the app supports recording and sharing options, enabling users to save their creations and showcase them to others. Electro Drum Pad. Electro Drum Pad is another top-notch DrumPad application for Android devices. This app is designed to cater to music enthusiasts who enjoy creating electronic and EDM beats. Electro Drum Pad offers an array of virtual pads that users can tap to produce different sounds and rhythms. The app includes a variety of preset drum kits and sound effects, allowing users to experiment with various genres and styles. With its intuitive interface, Electro Drum Pad enables users to easily layer multiple sounds and loops to craft dynamic and engaging tracks. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned music producer, this app provides a seamless and enjoyable music-making experience. DrumPad 24. DrumPad 24 is a popular DrumPad application that stands out for its simplicity and versatility. The app features a straightforward interface with 24 virtual pads that users can customize with their preferred sounds and samples. DrumPad 24 offers a wide selection of sound packs, ranging from classic drums to modern electronic beats, ensuring that users have plenty of options to experiment with. Users can easily create complex rhythms by tapping on the pads or combining multiple sounds within the app. DrumPad 24 also supports real-time recording, allowing users to capture their musical ideas on the go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more music app reviews and tutorials. Keep creating and stay inspired. Thank you for watching.